In this video, I'm about to show you how to easily learn Spanish in Memrise. If you want to learn Spanish with Memrise, then your online personal AI language tutor will teach you how to speak Spanish like a local. Memrise teaches you Spanish vocabulary through lessons based on your interests. It finds you thousands of authentic video lessons to learn Spanish, featuring the exact words you've just learned. Memrise offers multiple Spanish courses, so pick one that matches your proficiency level, beginner, intermediate, or advanced. Dedicate 10 to 20 minutes per day to practice. Regularity helps reinforce memory, so shorter consistent sessions are better than long, sporadic ones. Memrise provides you with unlimited human-like conversation practice to improve your Spanish learning. Memrise emphasizes vocabulary building with useful words and phrases. Start with the basics like greetings, common verbs, and everyday expressions. Regularly take the quick quizzes and speaking tests. This will gauge your progress and help reinforce what you've learned. If you want to access additional features, you can choose the Memrise Pro plan. To enhance learning, combine Memrise with other Spanish resources like podcasts, YouTube videos, or Spanish movies. While Memrise offers free content, some useful features like offline mode and advanced learning tools are locked behind a paywall. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.